Hi everyone, I'm Fiona. In this video, I will show you how to adjust the packaging width. This machine is very simple to operate. First, let's take our ruler to measure the actual width. As you can see, it shows 600 mm. Now we want to adjust the width from 600 mm to 550 mm. There is a scale wheel in the side of the machine. It shows 600 mm. Now let's make it to 550 and check back the width. As you can see, by turning the wheel, we got 550 as we want. The displayed width of the scale wheel is the same as the actual width. For more information about this 6-side PE film packaging machine, please leave your comments below or contact with us by email. If you like our video, please subscribe. See you next time.